This video shows you how to overhaul the drive unit. The preparatory steps involving removal of the solenoid valve and disconnection of the drive unit from the compressor unit are shown in a separate video. Check the bell serration for grooves and scoring. Remove the O-ring. Using a suitable tool, remove the cover of the retaining bolt for the drive wheel. Take care not to damage the sealing surfaces of the cover. Place and secure the locking tool, TC40, on the drive of the steering pump. Let the TC40 locking tool click into place. You may have to rotate the drive wheel for this purpose. Loosen the retaining bolt of the drive wheel using an 18mm or 21mm socket. Hold the casing tightly during this process. Remove the drive shaft with clutch bell. Remove the drive wheel. Check the drive wheel, drive shaft and clutch bell, as well as the internal bearing, for damage. In particular, check the sides of the teeth, the hearth teeth and the shaft bearing in the casing for damage. Lubricate the bearings in the casing with engine oil. Insert the clutch bell carefully without forcing it into the casing. Insertion should be easy without the use of force. Add the drive wheel. Insert the retaining bolt for the drive wheel by hand. Carefully synchronize the drive wheel with the hearth teeth of the drive shaft and the bell teeth. Take care to ensure that the hearth teeth are in the correct position. Lock the TC40 tool by hand. Tighten the safety screw of the drive wheel using an 18mm socket. Hold the casing in place during this process. Remove the TC40 locking tool. Carefully tap the new casing cover with the tool combination TC30 and TC30-1 until it is fully in position. Make sure that the hole is clean and free of grease when the cover is fitted. Do not apply any sealing compound or similar. Check that the casing cover has been correctly positioned. Reconnection of the drive unit and installation of the solenoid valve are shown in a separate video.